guys, hope you're well. My name is Neyra and today I'm going to show you my nightmare skincare routine and all the products I use before bedtime. So let's get started. Okay, so first step, I'm going to start washing my face with my favorite cleanser, that is this one from ELEMIS. It's a dynamic resurfacing facial wash. As you can see, I need to get a new bottle because this one is I'm almost running out of product, but this is my favorite one for my skin type. I have really sensitive skin, so this one fits perfect. So I'm gonna wash my face to get rid of makeup and all the dirt from the day. Now, for some extra care to my cleansing routine, I'm gonna use this facial scrub from Dr. Sturm. I usually exfoliate my skin like twice a week. If not, it gets really dry, so just twice a week it's perfect for me. And I like this product because it's really gentle, so it doesn't leave my skin like with redness or aching. It's perfect. So I'm gonna apply this scrub that smells really good. Just apply it to my face and I'm gonna massage it like for 2 minutes and then wash off. Okay, so now my face feels really soft and clean. And now I'm gonna apply my favorite serum. It's a Hyaluronic serum from Dr. Sturm. This product is like really light, so I love it. I love this. And I'm gonna apply just a little bit. Massage all over my face. I love to use this product at night because when I woke up my skin is like really hydrated and shiny and glowy. I love a glowy look, so this is one of my must-haves. After applying my serum, I'm gonna apply my favorite night moisturizer, that is this ELEMIS Ultra Smart Pro Collagen Night Genius. I love this face cream and this one smells really good too. I use this every night and I also woke up like really glowy and my skin is so smooth. So I'm gonna apply a little bit all over my face. Massage it. Last but not least, I'm gonna apply this Badescu Caffeine eye cream for tired under eyes. This one is perfect and is for all skin types. So I'm gonna apply just a little bit. And then just massage it. And that's it. Okay, so that was it. I hope you enjoy and like my before bedtime night routine. I'm gonna link all the products in the description so you can shop them if you like. And I hope you guys enjoy this. So we'll be seeing each other soon. Bye bye. Thank you.